The World Cup is here, and I've got 20 minutes to make the ultimate watch party food. Since Mexico is one of the host countries, today we're gonna make some street corn hot dogs. That's right, street corn hot dogs. We've got 20 minutes. Boop. Let's go. We've got all of our ingredients right here. We got some uncured boar's head hot dogs, a little bit of lime, some mayo, some cotija cheese, cilantro, some corn. You can use corn out of the can. I just took this off the cob. I like it better. I like when there's kind of chunks of corn, and some butter. And that's really all it is. Super simple recipe. Let's do it. So, simple. We got our hot dogs on. We have a cast iron pan that it has been on since the egg has been heating up, so it should be rip-roaring hot. We threw our corn in there with just a little bit of butter, maybe 2 tablespoons of butter. We've got our limes, mayo, cotija, and our cilantro still off to the side. But honestly, we're just we're gonna let these hot dogs cook a bit. We're gonna let this corn char up nice. We'll come right back to it. These are boar's head uncured hot dogs. Sounded good. We're gonna do it. We'll let you know. Let's let it cook. Let's get a little close up. Look at that. Corn's looking good. Like I said, just a little bit of butter. Hot dogs are looking good. Chicken always looks good. Let's go. Oh, let's check the time. 15 minutes. Let's do this. Just gonna throw a little Tajín on there. On the corn. Ooh. Yeah. Beautiful. We're gonna take our lime. We're just gonna squeeze it over our hands. Catch any seeds that we got. Good. A little bit more. Beautiful. Now, I'm gonna mix it up nice. Throw a little bit more seasoning on there. We're gonna throw in our mayo. And some of the cheese. And some last minute cilantro. Let's take a look. Look at that. That's looking good. We're down to 11 minutes. Let's go. Mix it up. Beautiful. A little bit more Tajín in there. Give it a nice kick. Let's close it up. Whew, it's hot. Corn's off. Smells amazing. We're gonna put it inside. Now we're gonna assemble our hot dogs. Let's shut this down. All right. Whew, it's hot. Got 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you're on. Let's go. We're going simple potato bun. Hot dog. Street corn. Whew. A little bit more cheese. And need a little bit more tahini as well. That right there is a hot dog fit for the World Cup. And there we go. Under 20 minutes, super simple recipe. And man, does it look good. Messy, fatty, ridiculous. And it's exactly what you want for a World Cup party. Exactly what you want. Moment of truth. Woo-wee. That's really good. We would totally do this again. Check it out.